Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Enshrouded game on your PC. Guys, first open up your any browser, just search for the Steam website and simply open it. Then just click on this login option you are seeing on the right hand top. Now here guys, simply sign into your account. And if you don't have an account, then just create account on Steam. This is very simple and easy. So once you create the account, then click on the install Steam you are seeing on the top. Now simply download the Steam and install it on your PC. Guys, simply download the Steam launcher, then install it. Then simply open up the Steam, then just log into your account, then click on the top search box and just type here the game name. Now guys, the game is Enshrouded. So once you type this game appear on the top. So simply open up this Enshrouded game. So once you open it here on this page, just scroll down guys, you will see the option of add to cart. So just click on this option of add to cart. You can purchase this game easily. Then click on this option of my card. Then click on this option of continue to payment. Guys, here simply pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. And once you pay the right amount, now game was added to your Steam library. Just go to the library of Steam and on the left hand side just find this game. So once you find this Enshrouded game, click on that, click on the install. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this really helpful, so please like it and bye bye, take care.